Welcome to Review Lab. The best Harley Air Cleaner is probably one of the most significant upgrades you can make to your motorcycle, offering a noticeable boost in performance and a more aggressive sound that true riders crave. This component not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your bike but also plays a crucial role in improving engine efficiency by allowing for better airflow, which is essential for unlocking your Harley's full potential and enjoying a more exhilarating riding experience on every journey. Number 5. K&N Engine Air Filter HD 0800 for Harley Davidson. Introducing the K&N High Performance Engine Air Filter, designed for select Harley Davidson models from 2001 to 2008. Experience a significant boost in your ride's performance. Installation is a breeze with this premium filter. It comes pre-oiled and ready to install right out of the box, saving you time and effort. Unlock your engine's potential. This filter is engineered to increase horsepower and improve your vehicle's rate of acceleration for a thrilling ride. Enjoy long-term value. This filter can be cleaned and reused, making it an economical and environmentally friendly choice for your motorcycle. Achieve superior performance with high airflow and exceptional filtration. It ensures your engine receives clean air while maintaining optimal performance. Designed to last, this filter can go up to 50,000 miles before needing cleaning, depending on your driving conditions. Enjoy extended performance and peace of mind. What we like. This one is designed to boost horsepower and acceleration. It offers high air flow with exceptional filtration and can be cleaned and reused. If you are looking for a long-lasting, performance-enhancing filter that's easy to maintain, this is a great choice. What people say. The installation was straightforward and took about an hour. It significantly improved the throttle response and overall performance of my motorcycle. The design is sleek and complements the look of the bike. Number 4. Blue Big Sucker Stage 1 Air Cleaner for Harley. Boost your motorcycle's horsepower and torque with this high-flow air cleaner. It's designed to replace your stock filter element for a noticeable performance upgrade. Experience increased power and torque thanks to its advanced design. This air cleaner is crafted from durable resin filter paper and metal for longevity. This air cleaner is specifically designed to fit a wide range of Harley models, including Dyna, Softail, and Touring from various years. Please check the fitment details for your specific motorcycle. Replacing your old air filter is straightforward. Enjoy enhanced performance and a cleaner look for your engine with this premium upgrade. We stand behind our product with a 30-day warranty and 24-hour customer support. If you have any questions or issues, our team is ready to assist you. What we like. This high-flow air filter is designed to provide increased horsepower and torque. It's a direct replacement for your stock element. If you're looking to upgrade your engine's performance with a reliable and widely compatible option, this is worth considering. What people say. The installation was straightforward and the instructions were clear. It looks great on my bike and really completes the look. I noticed a significant improvement in throttle response after installing this. Number 3. XMMT Chrome CNC Air Cleaner for Harley. Elevate your motorcycle's performance with this premium air cleaner. Designed for optimal airflow, it's built to last and enhance your riding experience. Crafted from high-quality billet aluminum with CNC precision, this air cleaner ensures durability and reliability. Its exposed filter design maximizes air intake. The included backing plate ensures smooth airflow to your carburetor or throttle body. All necessary mounting hardware is provided for a hassle-free installation. Specifically designed for a range of Harley models including Touring, Softail, and Dyna. Please ensure your model is compatible, especially with throttle-by-wire systems. This package includes the air cleaner filter and all accessories. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our 30-day warranty and 24-hour customer support. What we like. Featuring an exposed filter design that enhances airflow and a backing plate that promotes smooth air intake, this option is specifically for throttle-by-wire models. If you have a newer Harley with throttle-by-wire and want a stylish, performance-oriented upgrade, this is the one. What people say. This kit is a direct bolt-on and requires no modifications to the motorcycle. The air cleaner provides a noticeable increase in horsepower and torque. The included instructions are clear and easy to follow, making installation a breeze. Number 2. YDLMT Black Stage 1 Big Sucker Air Cleaner Cover for Harley. Add a unique customizing touch to your motorcycle's air intake. This cover is intricately machined for a clean, sculpted look. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, it's built for strength and durability. Enjoy a longer service life for this essential component. It's designed to fit Harley models equipped with Stage 1 Big Suckers or similar air filter kits. Please verify compatibility before purchasing. Installation is straightforward with the included hardware. Please note that detailed installation instructions are not provided. We offer 24-hour customer service and a 30-day warranty. Contact us if you encounter any issues with installation or the product itself. What we like. This air cleaner cover adds a customizing touch with its forged billet aluminum construction and intricately machined, clean sculpted look. It's designed to fit Harley models with Stage 1 Big Suckers. If you prioritize aesthetics and want to give your bike a unique, high-quality visual upgrade, this cover is ideal. What people say. The installation was straightforward and the performance improvement was noticeable. It looks great on the bike and the sound is much deeper. The air cleaner provides better airflow, which is essential for engine performance. Number 1. Black Stage 1 Big Sucker Air Cleaner Cover. Add a unique customizing touch to your Nest Stage I Big Sucker. Make your ride stand out and look incredibly cool. Crafted from forged billet aluminum, it's intricately machined for a clean, sculpted appearance. This ensures both durability and a stunning look. This cover is designed to fit Harley models equipped with Stage 1 Big Suckers or similar air intake systems. It's the perfect upgrade for your existing setup. Installation is straightforward, allowing you to enhance your bike's look with ease. It's available in both sleek black and brilliant chrome finishes. We offer 24-hour customer service and a 30-day warranty for your peace of mind. Contact us with any installation or product questions. What we like. This air cleaner cover offers a customizing touch with its forged billet aluminum construction, providing a clean, sculpted look to make your vehicle unique. It's available in a sleek black finish. If you're looking to personalize your Harley with a stylish and distinctive cover, especially in black, this is a fantastic option. What people say. This kit is a direct bolt-on and requires no modifications. The included high-flow air filter provides a significant increase in airflow compared to the stock filter. The breather bolts are designed to route blow-by gases back into the intake, which helps to keep the engine clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.